Hello class, how are you? Here Shilpi Sani from Suraj School Bhiwadi PGT English, and today we will start our next lesson, that is lesson 5 pronouns. Although this lesson has been done, okay, we will revise it. What is pronoun? What is pronoun? A pronoun takes the place of a noun. It is used to avoid the repetitive use of nouns. Clear? A pronoun A pronoun takes the place of a noun. This is the definition. A pronoun takes the place of a noun. It is used to avoid the repetitive use of noun. Okay, it is used in place of noun. Clear class? Example, Tina brought some grapes. She wanted to distribute them at an old age home. Clear? Here you will see she wanted to distribute them. She is pronoun, them is pronoun. It is she is used to avoid Tina. Okay, here you can see in the above sentence we know that she refers to Tina and them refers to grapes. The noun for which a pronoun is used is called antecedent. Tina is the antecedent for she and grapes is the antecedent for them. Clear? Personal pronoun. What is personal pronoun? A personal pronoun is a pronoun that stands for a person or thing. Okay, a personal pronoun is a pronoun that stands for a person. Clear? That stands for a person or thing. That is what personal pronoun. For example, here you can see we, you, he, she, and them are personal pronouns. It replaces a noun in subject and object position. Clear? For example, I ask you to inform him about the surprise inspection. Clear? Now the next step is pronoun that shows possession. This is possessive pronoun. Pronoun that shows possession, okay, ownership or some other relationship is called possessive pronoun. प्रोनाउन जो कि आपका पोजेशन यानी अधिकार शो करे, ओनरशिप शो करे, ठीक है ना, या किसी तरीके से कोई रिलेशनशिप शो करे, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन. Here you can see the means possessive pronouns mine, our, yours, he, sorry, his, hers, its. ठीक है, ये these are all possessive pronouns. For example, all the essays, all the essays were good, but his was the best. Here you can see the example. Sanjay found his passport, but Kirti could not find hers. This is what possessive pronouns example. Remember, a possessive adjective is placed before a noun, while a possessive pronoun is used in place of a noun. जो पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स होते हैं वो कहाँ लगते हैं? बिफोर अ नाउन, ये नाउन के पहले लगते हैं, जबकि पोजेसिव प्रोनाउंस यूज होते हैं नाउन के प्लेस पे. क्लियर? नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज reflexive and emphatic pronouns, emphasizing pronouns. Okay, and emphasizing pronouns is known as emphatic pronoun also. You will see it. Clear? Reflexive pronouns and emphasizing pronouns have identical forms: myself, ourself, yourself, okay, yourselves, himself, herself, itself, themselves, and or reflexive and emphasizing pronouns. अब आप इसका जो है डेफिनेशन देखिए. When the subject and the object refer to the same person or thing and the object pronoun is used to the receiver of the action, it is referred to as a reflexive pronoun. अब यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं कि जब सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट है ये रेफर करता है सेम पर्सन या थिंग को, ठीक है ना, तब हम देख सकते हैं कि जब ये सेम पर्सन या थिंग को जो है रेफर करता है और ये रिसीवर ऑफ द एक्शन होता है, तब हम इसको रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. जैसे गीता सा हर सेल्फ इन द मिरर एंड क्लैप्ड विद जॉय. तो गीता ने अपने आप को मिरर में देखा और खुशी से क्लैप करी. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज यू कैन सी व्हेन अ प्रोनाउन इज, now you will see the emphatic pronoun or emphasizing pronoun. When a person is used to emphasize a particular noun or pronoun, it is referred to as an emphasizing pronoun. ये pronoun को emphasize करता है, ठीक है, ये क्या कहलाते हैं, emphatic pronouns भी कहलाते हैं. Remember, for example, you can see here, I closed the door myself. Clear, this parcel is to be sent today itself. These are the example of emphasizing or emphatic pronouns. Now you will see, means the point which you have to remember, that is, since an emphasizing pronoun is used for emphasizing a noun, it can be removed from a sentence and the sentence would still make sense. आप जो है, अगर आपके जो है सेंटेंस में एम्फेसाइजिंग प्रोनाउन है तो आप उसको रिमूव भी कर सकते हो, इससे सेंटेंस का जो सेंस है वो नहीं चेंज होगा, लेकिन यहाँ पर आप नहीं कर सकते हो, और यहाँ पे आप कर सकते हो और यहाँ पे नहीं कर सकते हो. रिफ्लेक्सिव में आप जो है नहीं चेंज कर सकते, लेकिन एम्फेसाइजिंग में आप हटा सकते हो, उसको रिमूव कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे आप रिमूव नहीं करोगे और यहाँ पे आप कर सकते हो. ओके, क्लियर क्लास? Demonstrative pronouns. What is demonstrative pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun are used to point out people or thing they refer to. ये point out करते हैं, demonstrate करते हैं, उनको प्रदर्शित करते हैं. Clear? This, that, these, those are demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, those. This, that, these, those are what? Demonstrative pronouns. Yeah, you know that this is singular, that is plural. Sorry, this is, let me, this is singular, that is singular, these it is plural, and those it is also plural. Clear? Now you will see, that looks like the car my father used to drive. This is the ring that my mother gifted me on my 19th birthday. These are the example of demonstrative pronouns. Clear class? Okay class, next topics and next kinds of pronoun we will discuss in our next lesson. I think things are clear. If you have any problem, then you can contact me, but these things are clear, I think, because this has been discussed earlier also. You will be given some exercise to solve that. Okay class, thank you, have a nice day.